Hello everyone, welcome back and thanks for joining me today. So today is going to be a special video with a crazy experiment. So you may all know or have heard, maybe you haven't, of Shelee Carruthers. She is the creator of the beautiful bloom technique. If you've been watching my videos in the past, you will have seen that I have done a few videos with the bloom technique, and there's also a course you can take online. So Shelee contacted me and said, hey, let's do a challenge. And I said, yeah, I'm up for that. So we decided, or Shelee decided, that she would try a Dutch pour using my ratios, my mixes, my floetrol, you know, that kind of stuff. So she's doing a Dutch pour using floetrol paint and water with her hair dryer. And I'm doing a Dutch pour using the bloom technique recipes and materials and ingredients. So this is going to be really interesting because I've never done anything like this before. And this is a total experiment. And I have no idea if it's going to work out. I have no idea if it's going to be good or if it's going to be a fail or anything like that. So if you'd like to know the ingredients and the materials that I use for the bloom recipe, now these are my ingredients because I'm in Canada. There are different ingredients if you're in the US or in, you know, UK or, you know, in Australia, but these are what I use. So for the bloom technique, you need what's called a pillow paint, and this is what I use. It's a house paint, okay, and I get that at Canadian Tire. Now, please do not confuse the materials I am using in this video. Do not confuse them and think this is what I use for a regular Dutch pour, because it's not. Okay, this is a total experiment. So I have put some of that house paint in a cup here, and I have totally watered it down. Don't ask me how much water I put in there. I literally just put enough so that it would be fluid enough for a Dutch pour. Okay. There you have it. I hope this works. I have no idea if it is, but we will figure it out together. Shelee, I hope you are gonna have some good luck trying your Dutch pour using the paint, floetrol, and water method. I'm looking forward to seeing what you come up with. Let me grab my torch. Okay, so let's just, I'm using a 12 by 12 canvas. It's a level 1 canvas. I can already feel this might be a little too thick still. All right, it is what it is. I don't know if this stuff's gonna blow. Oh yeah, this is a little thick still. This might be a problem. We will see. Kind of too late to add anything to it. Okay. We will see if it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I can try again. So let's pop these bubbles real quick because there's a lot of bubbles because of the water that I added. Okay. Now just be careful when you're torching house paint. It's not like acrylic paint, so be careful with that. You don't want to burn the paint because you can definitely burn house paint. And you don't want that. All right, just making sure my edges are covered here. Might as well use the paint that's left here on the spatula. And if you're looking to buy one of these super cool spatulas, you can find it on my Amazon shop. Link is provided in the description below, and you can find it there. It is the large spatula, not the mini spatula. It is the greatest tool for spreading paint. I kid you not. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I have chosen 4 colors. These are my bloom recipe colors. Again, if you want to know what I put in these bottles, you can check out video number 131. It is a full, and I mean full, detailed tutorial on the bloom technique. And you could save, actually, before I forget, 15% off the course. If you want to take the course, you can learn as well by Shelee herself. And then you get access to a cool private Facebook group with thousands of members where you can ask a million questions and get a million answers. So check that out. It is in the description below. I believe the code for it is SheleeArte Kanella 15, but I will link that all in the description below. And I will link Shelee's Instagram page and YouTube channel, and you guys can check her video out as well. So I've squirted these colors into these little cups here, and just for fun, I have added some Bling It interference by ColourArte. So in the gold, I've added the interference gold by Bling It from ColourArte. And then in the purple, this one, I added the interference violet, Bling It. And then I added the interference blue into this blue. And then I took the primary elements called Majestic Blue. I use that, and I put a little bit in here. Now, is this going to work? I don't know. Are the interference colors and the primary elements going to even show up? I don't know. I really don't know. I honestly don't know, guys. I've never done this before, so we're just going to find out together, because I really don't know if this is going to work or not. All right, I'm going to start. Let's start with the turquoisey teal color. And I will do a diagonal like so. Might as well use this all up. There's no point in wasting any paint whatsoever. I really hope this blows out. It might not. It could be too thick. It might. I don't know. We will find out together. All right, let's go with the purple now. If this works out and it looks great, I will do it again with a much bigger canvas. And we'll see what happens there. All right, I'll do gold next. See, my purple sank. Because here's the problem. They're not the same consistency. If I'm not measuring, it's hard to determine the right and the same consistency for all these colors, right? But trial and error is what this is all about. You got to fail in order to succeed. Okay, wow, there's going to be a lot of turquoise in there. I barely had enough blue to get to the end. Let me just try and scrape and salvage some out of this little cup. All right, that's interesting looking. And now what you need is the cell activator. So this is a concoction with like 5 different ingredients. Again, check out my video 131. I'm going to pop the bubbles real quick because there's, holy cow. All right, so now I'm going to add the cell activator on top. This is what's going to cause cells and, or at least I hope. It totally disappeared, but I don't know if I should even add more or not. Okay, guys, let's give this a whirl. I really don't know if this is going to work or not. I don't even know if I should add more cell activator. I don't know. Let's just add some more. I don't know. Okay, let's blow her out and see what happens if it even blows, if it's not too thick. Wow, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, let's see what's forming, because as I'm watching, there's cells forming. There's cells here, a little bit here, something going on here, and a little bit here. Oh, lots going on down here. But the color combination, I'm really happy about, actually. I'm really liking that. Let's see. I know I usually don't torch my Dutch pours, but this is a little different. See if anything happens. Nada. Zilch. Nothing happens. All right. Pretty. I'll be very, very curious to see how this dries, especially with the interference colors by Bling It, the Bling It interference colors by ColourArte. It's going to be interesting to see. There's definitely, there's gunk in there. Let me find my tweezers. This is my cup of goodies. This is my cup of tools, pencils, all kinds of, you know, like my little X-Acto knife. And somewhere deep down here are my tweezers. All right. I see gunk. It was a big hair. JUNO. It was a JUNO hair. Oh, I love my puppy. I think he's sick. I think he has a doggy cold. Dogs can get colds, right? Like, I mean, I've never had a dog, so I don't know anything about this stuff. But I know dogs are typically supposed to have wet, cold noses, and his is kind of dry and really, really warm. So I'm assuming he has a little doggy cold, and he's sniffling. He's constantly sniffling. So I think he has a little doggy cold. If anyone has any tips on doggy colds, let me know. Is that a bubble? That's a bubble. Okay. I'm really excited about this. I can't believe how this turned out. Let's pop that bubble. With my souvlaki stick. I should teach you guys more Greek words. Yeah, I should. So good morning is kalimera. It's like a Greek lesson and an art lesson in one. So there's your word for the day. Good morning is kalimera. That is good morning in Greek. Okay, I'm done experimenting and I'm done. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I'm gonna have to do this again. First, I'm gonna wait to see how it dries because it looks gorgeous wet. I just don't know how it's gonna look when it's dry. But Shelee, I hope you're proud of me and I hope you like it. I can't wait to see what you've come up with. Guys, don't forget to check out the information in the description below. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys down so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Let me just put you guys on pause. Be right back. All right, guys, check it out. I'm so thrilled with this. Look at this. Now, this is all shimmer. That just reminded me. There was a gentleman who left a comment in my last video and said, could I try one day to do a video and not use the word shimmer? Can I do it? It's a challenge. I don't think I can do that because how am I supposed to describe this beautifulness and not use the word shimmer or sparkle? Like, should I say shimmer and shine? But that reminds me of that kids television show. Those of you who have kids know who shimmer and shine is. But like, this is clearly from the Bling It interference. There's no doubt in my mind that this shimmer is from the interference powders from Bling It. So if you are interested in the Bling It and anything from ColourArte, you can save 10%. And the description, in the description below, you will find the discount code. I think, did I say 10%? No, it's 20%. You save 20% from ColourArte. So I believe my code is Kanella 120, but you'll find it in the description below. And you can order anything you want on the website and you can get a discount there. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this challenge that Shelee and I have done. I can't even stop looking at this. Like, seriously. I love the color. I'm going to have to do this again. I'm going to have to do this again, and I'm going to have to play with trying to get the all colors to be the exact same consistency, but this is just stunning. I'm so happy with this. So check everything out. Guys, check all the links below. Check out Shelee, her YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description below as well. Check her out on Instagram. Don't forget, you can purchase all ColourArte stuff and save 20%. What was that? There's like a big rumbling outside. Very weird. I'm gonna have to go check that out. Anywho, sorry about that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I see a lot of people watching and you're not subscribers. So if you are watching, please hit that red subscription button and hit that notification bell. Okay? I would really appreciate it. Oh my God, look at that. I can't get over that. I cannot get over this. I'm so going to do this again. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I'm going to stop talking. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Check out JUNO's YouTube channel. Search JUNO the Husky. Check him out and follow him there and subscribe to his channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys soon. Oh, and if you want this piece, email me. It is going to be up for purchase. So email me if you're interested. CanellaCiraco@gmail.com. Take care. Bye.